welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to look at some items that I purchased. It's like a mini haul. I have a little bit of this and a little bit of that, meaning I have just one thing that's a home decor item. I know that my channel is really heavily focused on home decor, but you know, due to the restraints of like having to be in our home and I can't go shopping to finish decorating my house, and making sure I'm only purchasing things that are essential, okay? So I'm going to have to make do with what I have. So I have a little bit of clothes, shoes, purses. You know, that was like I was heading towards spring. That was the whole motivation behind this shopping haul. It was gonna be more, but there's not more. Anyway, my name is Aquarius. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, subscribe. Don't forget to leave me a comment letting me know what was your favorite item out of the haul today. Anyway, I am going to be drinking a glass of wine before you guys ask throughout this video. The name of the wine is Stella Rosa Peach. You can get it at your local grocery store and it tastes awesome. One of my favorite wines. So let's just get right into the first item. The first item that I have is this really pretty Michael Kors bag. I purchased it from the outlet. Now, I don't know which collection this came out of. I can't leave a link because I went to the outlet mall, okay? If I can find one on his website that is similar, I will definitely link it below for you guys. Like, how cute and fabulous was I going to be, okay, this spring and summer? You know, that's another story. Anyway, it is a really pretty bright yellow. See, it's in a different family. My top almost look orange up against the handbag. I like handbags that I can carry like this. You know, it also can be worn as a crossbody bag, and I'll show you how you can wear it as such. The inside is a very deep. I do like that about the bag. It's very deep. It has two pockets, a place for your cell phone, and you know, I really wanted to get the wallet that goes to the handbag, but you know, I wasn't done shopping. And the element, the MK, is silver. The wording of Michael Kors is also silver. I do like handbags that have the buffers at the bottom because I don't like, for my purse, the bottom of the bag can carry germs, and it definitely has the two buffers to keep it off the floor, even if you put your purse on the ground. And again, it is so cute. So that was one, and I'm trying to get a little bit smaller with my handbags. If you watched any of my videos or what's in my bag video, you know my handbags were really large, and I'm trying to go a little bit smaller with the handbags. I definitely feel like that's more on trend. And this actually can tighten or loosen the handbag. That is so cute to me. And you can pair this purse with a really fabulous, you know, you can go all black, you can do teal, you can do so many different things with this handbag. So I definitely like it. And the price at the outlet was $120. Yep, it was $120. So I couldn't resist the handbag that also looks similar to it. And it's more of a peachy color, you know, a peachy pink. That's what this is. It's a peachy. It's a pink peachy vibe. And I got this one because it has the gold. I love the gold trim around the handbag. It is exactly like the yellow one that I just previously showed you. It also has the words Michael Kors. It can also be worn as a crossbody bag. It also has the buffers at the bottom. And I really think, you know, I don't like big crossbody bags. And I really kind of feel like this is kind of big for me to wear as a crossbody bag. I would want something, or I would prefer something a little bit smaller. So I would definitely be rocking this handbag like, you know, girl, like this Yes, okay, okay. So yeah, and hopefully, you know, later on down the line, if they still have it available, I can get the wallets to match both. I'm really big on, whenever I get myself a new handbag, I always like to purchase the wallet. It's just, I don't know. My husband started me on it, and now I'm just addicted to it. So this is the second one. Okay, so I have a whole bunch of shirts that I bought from Banana Republic. Listen, Banana Republic had a really good sale here recently. They had everything was 50% off. I took advantage of the sale because I usually don't buy things from the higher end stores unless it's off season. So some of this stuff that you see, I won't be able to wear until, you know, maybe the next fall season. And that's okay. It can sit in my closet until then. But let's see. These are really pretty blouses. These really pretty tops. I probably should have bought smalls because I'm not that big. Alright, so the first top is, I was looking for tops that I can wear to work. You see, it has like a little cross in the front. It crisscross, and it's high enough to where I can wear it to work. I do understand that Banana Republic stuff runs a little bit big, and this is that neon color. Like, I've been looking for some neon shoes that'll probably go with this. For some reason, I am not afraid of bright colors. I had gone to nudes for a little while, but now I'm starting to change over. And let's see how much this was versus how much I paid for. So this top was $65. $65, and I believe I got it for $32. And they still have the sale going on, so I'm definitely going to link this top below. And I heard that they now have 70% off, so it may be a little bit cheaper. And I love this one so much that I also grabbed the black one. Okay, so it looks like I got did I get small in this? Yep. Now, I did get a small in the black one, and I believe it's gonna fit me a lot better, okay? I am definitely a small, and I love Banana Republic because I'm very short, so they do cater to us short girls, and this is Petite. It is so cute, and I'm gonna insert a picture of what the model looked like, and what kind of made me want to buy it is kind of flowy. Now, again, a lot of my stuff I can wear to work, or I can also transition these pieces into like going out to dinner with my girlfriends when the world opens back up. So now I don't know if you guys have seen these around, but for some reason I am a little bit obsessed with these puff sleeve shirts. The sleeves are very puffy. That is so cute. And you can never go wrong with white. You cannot have enough white in your closet. Again, this was also in Petite. Everything that I got from Banana Republic is in Petite. And these were very inexpensive. I got this shirt for $15. It was 50% off. And I love things that I can get multiple use out of when I'm wearing it. So I liked it so much that I also purchased it in the navy blue. And it's that silky material. And it was the exact same price. Okay, so you guys, the next item is this really cute pair of heels. They are by Jessica Simpson. I purchased these from Solicity. I will link it below if they still have this shoe. It's very pretty. I'm obsessed with iridescent shoes. Whenever I see some that are in different styles, I always pick them up because they can go with so many different outfits and different styles. It's really pretty and it's not super duper high. I believe this is a 3-inch heel. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, it's 3-inch heel. Now, these were not on sale. They were $80. And if I can find this pair somewhere else besides their website, because I don't know if they still have it, I will definitely link it below for you guys. So you guys, the next item, yep, is this really pretty pink. It's kind of mauve, pea coat. Not pea coat, it's a trench coat. And it's definitely for spring. It is that material that, you know, you can get wet and it's not thick. It's kind of thin, but really great quality. I got this from H&M. And of course, I'm a size medium in H&M. If you think you're around my size and you wanted to order it. It has a belt that goes with it. It is so cute. And I really thought that I was going to be popping this spring. But obviously, I'm going to be popping in the house. And I paid $50 for it. It was not on sale. H&M is currently running a sale. It is 20% off, $75 or more, plus free shipping. Now, they didn't have the pink left when I looked online, but they did have it in olive green and like a tan color. So if you're interested in still purchasing it, you can. Now the next item that I purchased is pretty big. I bought 2 of them, but I'm only going to show you one because it's so big and try to like fit in the frame. So this is also like a reveal of the color scheme that I'm trying to go for my bedroom. Hopefully I can stay true to it, or I can use these lamps in another part of my home. But okay, the lamp. I purchased these two lamps. I think I purchased both of them from Target, and it was for $75. They had a sale going on them. I will hunt down a sale, okay? Because I never like to pay full price. I think the full price was $125. And I just really cannot wait to finish my bedroom. It's gonna be so cute when I put this together, and which is just, you know, everything that's going on has really, you know, put a stop on decorating, because we're definitely only buying things that are essential at this time. So, but I do miss shopping for home decor, because it's definitely something that I'm very passionate about and I love doing. So anyway, the bottom part is silver, but of course, you know, I'll be mixing metals in my bedroom. And let's just see the top of the lampshade. There you go. So big. Now it's about the same size as the lamps out here. It's gonna be so cute when I finish, you guys. So you guys, that is the end of the video. I want to thank you for taking the time out to watch, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye.